My name is Kevin Bielicki. I'm the Bonsai Curator here at Longwood Gardens, and we're here today at the Web Barn where we've been working on our Christmas installation for the Fern Floor. It's a great atmosphere working in sort of this old historic barn. It's a great space and it's at a size that's appropriate for building such a large installation. So I have a Master's in Fine Arts from Indiana University, and my focus is sculpture. When we started thinking about the shapes of the season and what that could mean and what we could bring to the Fern Floor, we immediately started thinking of large-scale ribbon and large-scale ornaments. When we were creating this, one of the feelings and thoughts I really was interested in having the viewer experience is sort of this childlike playfulness. I think this ties even back into sort of my goal as a bonsai curator, creating these small things that have the sense of something very large. So, and again, it's putting that viewer in this sort of little monumental sort of miniature landscape. The goal is for when guests go around the piece, they can sort of pick up on different details that they didn't see from other angles. So there's this new experience as you continue to walk around the piece. So as part of this project, I had the opportunity to work with many different individuals. Each person had hands involved in different aspects, whether it be design aspects, conceptualizing what colors work together. We also have people doing the wood construction, the metal fabrication. And it's been a great experience working with such a diverse group and such a great Longwood team. We have so many different departments and areas here that all contribute to this project and make things really possible. And it's not only what they can physically do, but it's also their ideas and what their knowledge and experience contribute to this project that makes this all possible. A Longwood Christmas is, I think, a great time of year. It's when families and friends and everyone come together to go to Longwood and really get to experience this sort of magical transformation of the conservatories.